A delicious Parmesan Ranch Chicken Bruschetta Sandwich made on the Blackstone. Let me show you how I like to do it. Now, I figured this hack out a long time ago about using the egg rings. What you say? I'll show you in just a moment. But first, we're gonna get to cooking some chicken cutlets. I love to use these. Now we're gonna season those to perfection and pull them off when they're done and then dice them up. You want them small diced. Now let's go on with some of these awesome silicone egg rings from Blackstone. This is a fun hack because basically we're allowing our chicken and cheese and ingredients to melt together and staying all together kind of in sandwich form. Now, once we've got that done, we're gonna toast up some buns. We're gonna put down a nice, delicious layer of pesto and start building this magic, start topping it with the chicken and the cheese. We're gonna add some of this awesome bruschetta that I made. Top this off with a delicious crown, and my guys, my gals.
It's a messy mess of magic.
This is a messy mess of magic that you're gonna wanna make all the time.
There's a dog in my spot.
Where
am I gonna stand?
I don't know, dude. Figure it out. The dog stays. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the set. Today is an homage to me. That sounds horrible to say. Not really. I am just gonna be going back and making a sandwich that I made literally years ago, like the first 3 months that I was cooking. I'm gonna do it again today, and I'm gonna see if it's any better. But before that, just so you know, my name is CJ, welcome to the set. Right over there is Nate, right over there is Ethan, and right over there is where Andy used to stand. Hello.
Out of my way! Grab that dog!
We're gonna bring it. We're getting ready to cook. I'm making a chicken Parmesan Italian style chicken sandwich.
Man,
wow, don't be so excited about it.
It's good.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show!
So it was a joke in saying that this is an homage. It is definitely
It wasn't
kind
a
of
joke, you meant it.
going back
It's
to my
funny
roots.
because it's true.
Because it was a very cool hack whenever I did this back in the day.
Remind me, I don't watch your show that often.
Oh, I watched Jeremy do this
Oh,
recently.
yeah.
Hey, yes you did. Because he also did an homage.
We love Jeremy.
We love.
Jeremy's great.
We love Jeremy.
I love you.
All right, so we're gonna do a quick little bit of seasoning of some salt and some pepper. Plus, I love what
SPG.
garlic powder does for an awesome crust on your chicken.
Yeah,
Gotta play the
flavor
win
and
here.
crust.
Yes, it's such a winner. So we're gonna do that to both sides and get ready to go on our Blackstone, which has already been preheated. So today we're using chicken cutlets. I seasoned generously, like I said. But the best thing about chicken cutlets is how
quickly they cook.
fast.
Oh, yeah.
How fast you can cook with these
Oh,
guys.
yeah.
Want to see me run to that mountain and back? You want to see me do it again?
They can be a little daunting because you feel like you have to wait forever for them, and then you end up cooking them too long, and then they're dry, and then they're not good. Then you go to the
do
grocery
that.
store,
It's not-
and they do a cutlet for you. Oh, I just noticed something.
What?
It's even thinner than I thought.
Oh. Wow.
Geez.
Hey, little guy.
Okay, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh.
I'm a little guy. My hands are little, my features are small, my shoulders slope down, you know. I'm a little guy.
We're probably not going to use that. It looks like prosciutto.
Wow.
All right, so we're gonna let those cook for a little bit. Now let's talk bruschetta. I have been thinking about this. The question I'm asking myself is, am
Self?
I... Hey, Self.
Who would I be without you?
I love you, Metro Man!
And I love you, random citizen.
Am I going to do a quick sear of my tomatoes
No.
before
No,
I build
you
a
want
bruschetta?
to be like bright and fresh.
Do I?
I do.
Andy, what about you?
Oh, no.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I vote no.
You vote no.
I vote no.
Ethan?
I don't really care.
Esty?
I don't know.
Man,
We'll go with my opinion then. There you go.
y'all are like a bunch of grizzly bears.
Oh, speaking of the bear, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that none of the actors use a hand model in the show? All of the actors are doing all the actual cooking, chopping.
You serious?
So they probably actually did go to school and
Or get some sort of training.
Yeah, Jeremy Allen White did 2 weeks at a culinary school to learn how to do this.
That's amazing.
Went to school.
okay. I like it.
Hand models.
Let's ring it and bring it for that.
CJ uses the hand model all the time.
I wish. By the way,
Oh, maybe.
spoiler alert, I'm gonna sear my tomatoes a little bit.
Lame.
I know it was in protest, and maybe I'm breaking the
Bad.
bruschetta rules,
Yes.
but we're gonna do it. So before we go, a little bit of oil.
Okay.
Because this is such a quick thing, right? We've got our oil down. Quick, high heat sear.
Oh.
Oh, let's get a little bit of salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Oh boy, huh? Why did I go into
I don't know.
Mickey? I'm an idiot.
Jeez.
Let's flip our chicken. This guy is gonna be done here real soon.
Hello.
Hello, Governor. Those are looking awesome. Let's pull our tomatoes. Where did we say that? Yeah,
Really?
yeah. We're gonna do,
Well, why even put them on at all then?
because the heat, it will start to activate, like releasing some of the juices.
All right.
It's freaking money.
I'll trust you.
You're gonna trust me.
No, that's what I said.
I know, that's what I said.
I know, but I said it, then you just said back to me what I said to you.
Oh, girls, you're both pretty. Can I go home now?
All right, so we're gonna set this guy. Oh, I'm about to do something stupid. I'm gonna transfer it to another bowl. I'm gonna put that.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Then we're gonna drop in some of our red onion.
Okay.
We're gonna let it kind of heat up with our tomatoes. Now let's go a few more steps. I've got some-
Dried?
It's not dry.
What is
It's
it?
fresh-ish. Basil.
They didn't have fresh basil?
They perhaps did.
Good! Good! More for me and you.
We got some garlic paste, and then we're gonna do a little drizzle of this balsamic right here.
Dang, okay.
And another pinch of salt, and let's toss.
Dang.
Oh, you know what we should do as well?
Beauty, what?
Transfer
Oh.
it to another bowl.
Oh, what a shame!
Been a minute. What an idiot. Look at him. Look at him.
Eventually.
Oh, thank me later.
Hey, Pumpkin.
Hey, guy. Let me see your thumb real quick.
No.
It's important that I went and took the walk of shame,
Why?
because we're gonna do shave.
Oh, yeah.
Haircut?
Exactly.
And a haircut.
We got some. We're coming back to this guy.
Okay.
Now we're gonna set this aside. Oh, see, dude, look at that. The
Beautiful.
tomatoes, just them heating up, they're releasing some juices.
All right.
And
You're liking the juice?
I like the juice, huh? You know
Okay.
what we're gonna do?
No?
We're gonna let the chicken finish.
Okay.
We're gonna come back.
And give Ethan a nice segue for Mario.
All right.
Did you know that Mario's character design was mostly done because of the graphical limitations back in the day? So he has a hat on because it was hard to render hair. He has a mustache to accentuate the nose, and then he has dungarees on so the arm movements was a lot more noticeable.
Why is it called Super Mario Brothers?
Because there's two of them.
He's a
Yeah, but it's the Mario Brothers? His name is Mario Mario? That's the dumbest thing ever, and I'm angered by it.
You're obviously
Wait,
not a real
It's
fan.
Mario and Luigi Mario?
Yep.
And is Wario and...
That sounds made up.
Wait, Wario Mario?
Is Waluigi and Wario brothers?
I'm sorry, who?
Waluigi and Wario. Are they brothers?
Yes.
Not to...
Them, not to Mario and Luigi, I don't think.
Yeah, idiot.
Yeah, idiot.
Our chicken is looking delicious. See, that's the crust that I was talking about. Just that nice crispy exterior. Garlic powder is gonna do that for you big time. Now let's get that over here to our cutting board and get that diced up. Now, it is important that you're not just slicing these up. You're getting small dices. The reason is you don't want a giant chunk of chicken just like when you take a bite.
Yeah.
The whole thing, yeah, you're gonna see what I'm talking about in a little bit.
Full Andrew Dice Clay.
Okay.
I tried.
All right. Hey! I need to clean my griddle off just a little bit. Let's get this all straight.
That was
Dude,
quick.
I love it.
Look at that.
The beauty of it.
That was easy.
Let's go to Crazy Town, shall we?
I don't know, dude.
Shall we?
We're already there.
All right, then we're good to go. Grab you some of our Blackstone egg rings,
All right.
okay?
Don't
It's
know
been a
what's
long
happening
time
here.
since I've done this, but
Or
one thing.
mason jar lids.
What in the world are you doing? I don't remember this.
Yeah, so we're gonna go over here
Why?
because you'll see. Last time I did this, I did cheese first, which sounds like a great idea. It's not a great idea because the cheese is going to burn by the time the top of the cheese melts.
All right.
This
Does
is
it
going
have
to
to be
allow
in the
us.
egg ring?
Yes, the reason is
Why?
once we put our cheese on here in just a moment,
All right.
we're going to kind of create this cheesy chicken little patty, so to speak.
All
So
right.
whenever you transfer to your bun, it's all going to be uniform and it's all going to be beautiful. Before we do that, real quick,
Yeah.
before we do the cheese, I'm going to brighten up that chicken just a little bit
Okay.
with
this
a
is
little
fun.
bit of lemon juice because a little bit of acidity goes a long way, folks. Parmesan Ranch. This is going to be another flavor bomb that's going to hang out on that chicken.
Okay.
We're going to
Dang, doubling up on the seasoning.
yes, we are. We
I like
are.
it.
And this is an awesome dust of flavor. Now, let's go with mozzarella. Again, use whatever you like. I think mozzarella is just, ooh, it's a little hot and
Florida?
Florida.
It's a little Floridian cheese.
A little Floridian rhino cheese. Rhino cheese? That's gross. I don't recommend you ever say that again. So yes, I've got some Florida melty mozzarella and
Mozzarella.
that too.
Right? Am I right?
Am I right? Okay. Now I do need a dome. Andy, let's do this.
Whoa!
Jeez, take it easy, Tina Turner.
What?
Thunderdome.
Oh.
Come on, Ethan.
I'm gonna spray some water, and we're gonna dome it, and the cheese is gonna melt, and then it's time to build. Cheese me, Seymour, cheese me all night long. Cause when you cheese me, Seymour, I can grow up big and strong. I just realized as I was breaking out into song.
I've been nibbling on those this whole time.
All right, Seymour, pull it together, guy. We're gonna add, I've got some of this, oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, what?
What? I wanted this up so I could throw that down. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, it's hot.
Oh wow, that's a fun trick the way you put the tops down to make strings of cheese. Yeah.
I
Push
have
it down in there, dude.
been meaning to look for new crew members to be a part of my show because I don't know if I've told you guys how much I hate you. You guys are terrible people and
Yeah,
you
push
like
it down
to make
into
me
the cheese so it stays.
you like to make me feel bad. I did that so that the dome.
Okay, oof. We'll see. We'll see.
We'll be back when it's time to build. I'm an idiot.
It's a waiting game now.
Oh, I'm hang gliding, honey. Take a good picture. I'm dead.
Now, while our pepperonis are snuggling into their cheesy bed, we're gonna grab some of these everything seeded buns. Dude, I have fallen in love with these. So we're gonna toast these up. This bun is gonna need to hold up, but we're gonna get those buns off and get them over here, and now we start to build. Pesto is gonna be our base. You want a nice, healthy dollop. Let's go over and check on our chicken, and yeah, it is what you think.
yeah.
It's freaking hot, those handles, guys. But this is the beauty of it. Those egg rings hold everything together. Now on top of that, we're gonna add some of this really delicious, mildly heated up and blistered bruschetta on top. And don't just drop it on there. Don't worry about like where it's gonna lie. Now on top of that, I'm gonna add a drizzle of some balsamic glaze across all of that. Top it off with some more Parmesan cheese. Crown that beauty. And would you please look at that?
Would you look at that?
We've got creamy, cheesy textures. We've got crispy textures.
It really is a beautiful mess. How do you eat such a beautiful mess?
I don't know. Andy, which one should I do?
Back right.
Back right it is. All right. Oh, and this one, by the way, when I was toasting the bun, it got a little special extra crispy cheese skirt that showed up with it.
Fun.
Yeah. All right, let's...
It's like a reward.
Is it?
That's a pretty good impersonation. Christoph Waltz.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what's going on inside of here. Let's open these barn doors up.
Dude,
We got all kinds of flavors,
come on.
all kinds of love.
Dude, that pesto, that was enough.
Just the right amount, right?
I think so.
I
mean,
hope
haven't
so.
tried it yet.
Yeah, I'll let you guys know. Let's see how. Ooh, soft. Mmm.
Mmm. Cheesy. Spicy.
Mmm.
With the personality.
Dad, rate it out of 1 through 10.
1 through 10, 9.3.
Okay.
Really?
It's tough to get a 10. 9.3.
How come?
Good score.
I'm glad you asked how come. Because it's cheesy. Because it's got that acidic bite from those little bursts of tomatoes. So good. Get a little sweetness from that balsamic.
You got the everything on the bun.
Everything. You got the everything everywhere. You got all the things everywhere. Guys, let me know how I did in the comments. And speaking of comments, it's time. Do you know why it's time? Because it's freaking hot and we gotta wrap this up. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Glad you guys stuck around with us. This is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewer. If you guys write it.
We read it. What the? I've never been able to do it the whole time.
If you guys write it,
we read them! You did it wrong.
You did it wrong. Starting from the top in no particular order, this one comes in from Mike Johnson.
Hey, Mike.
Mike says, so annoying,
See,
period.
Mike.
Completely unwatchable with all the stupid nonsense to drag the video out.
Nah.
How rude.
Nah.
What's his
Nah.
name?
Doesn't matter. Yeah. Whoa.
Lord, how do you suck at everything?
This next one comes in from none other than B. McCain.
B. McCain.
Yep,
Is that Brandy?
it is.
Hey, Brandy.
Brandy says, those are some awesome Funko Pop dolls.
That's true.
Where did you get those?
I don't remember where we got those. Actually.
Her and her husband Kevin got them for us.
I was just being
I know, I was just trying to make it. Okay, yeah. Brandy, thank you.
Cheers
You're so
to you.
awesome. He literally has one job, and all he has to do is sit there and pay attention.
Huh?
This next one comes in from Elizabeth Gabur.
Oh.
Gabur. Go
birds?
birds. Says, wish I could give this recipe more thumbs up.
Oh, wow.
More likes. Hubby requested it again and had to watch your video for a refresher. Crowd favorite. And this was the, it's the honey balsamic glazed steak bites.
Go birds.
Go birds. So good. And this last one from Mr. Roy Wright.
Roy
Not to be
Rogers.
Yep, exactly. I was going to say that.
You're welcome.
Mr. Wright says, time to unsubscribe from Blackstone.
Roy.
Roy, you're mean with your words.
Roy.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. This was a delicious one. A fun homage, a step back into the past to me.
It's an homage to Jeremy doing an homage to.
That's what I
It's
meant.
Inception.
That's it. You remember that one scene from Scanners where that guy's head blew up? Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all other things Blackstone. Go to griddlenation.com if you would like to find shirts like this. If you want to put something up on the OG board, hit me up. We'll give you a little shout out and have some fun. But in the meantime, just know this. This is CJ's first cooking show where we...
Cook and we quote.
Yeah, way to go,
let's
Ethan.
go, Mila. Oh my
Wow,
goodness.
Cooper.
See you guys.
Should I do it?
Done it.
Too late.